Welcome back to your French class. Our today's topic is les prépositions de lieu. When you say I am in France, I am in Canada, I am at a particular mall or a place, then we use this kind of prepositions in English and in French as well. But in English you just use in, to or at for locating your exact place where you are. But in French we do have some other cases that are to be used accordingly. I mean like feminine, masculine or plural countries. So all countries like other nouns in French are gendered. So here countries ending with E are feminine. Like here we have a list of countries that are ending with E. La France. Here it is having E at the end. La Grèce, la Russie, la Suède, la Thaïlande, la Chine, l'Angleterre, l'Italie. Now here every time we have E at the end and this E is showing that the country is feminine. Now see how we categorize few of the countries in plural cases. All the countries, here we have 4 countries that are ending with S, if you notice, are plural. Les États-Unis means USA, les Antilles, West Indies, les Pays-Bas, Netherlands, les Philippines. So these countries are plural. Now here one thing is to be noticed and you have to keep always in your mind while doing any exercise of les prépositions de lieu. That is, some countries are there which are ending with the E, okay, but they are not feminine, they are masculine, okay. There are exceptions like Mexique, Mozambique, Zaire, Zimbabwe, okay. These are the 4 countries that are ending with E but they are not feminine, they are masculine, okay. So let's see how we do the formation for using in, to or at with the countries. The first case is en for all the feminine countries and all the masculine feminine countries that are starting with a vowel, or if any country is starting with H and it is not giving its sound, it means it is silent there or mute H is used, then we use en. For all the countries that are masculine, we use O. Then comes the plural countries. This case, for these cases we always take O. Okay, both the pronunciations are same, O, for all the plural countries. Now comes the cities. What about the cities? So need not to merge the articles. We'll just use the preposition a. Okay, for all the cities. Now we'll do one exercise to learn something more about it. Let's take the first statement. Il vit dash Mumbai dash and. Now Mumbai is a city and India, it's a country. And it is starting with a vowel. Although it's a feminine country, but we will consider it to be a vowel because it is starting with a vowel. Now see, here we have been given all the cases. A will be used with all the cities, for all the feminine, O, for all the vowels, O, for masculine singulars, O, and for all the plural cases, O. Okay, now let's start. Il vit, now it's a city, we'll come to this, A. Okay. Il vit à Mumbai. Now it's a vowel country starting with a vowel. So we'll write en. Il vit à Mumbai en Inde. He is living or he lives in Mumbai in India. Je vais dash Paris dash France. Now Paris is again a city, capital city of France. So we'll come to this. We'll use a. Je vais à Paris. Now France is a feminine country, so we'll take the feminine case, that is en again. Je vais à Paris en France. I am going to Paris in France. L'avion arrête dash Tokyo dash Japan. Tokyo again is the capital city of Japan, so it's a city. We'll keep this in this case a. L'avion arrête à Tokyo. Japan is masculine, so we'll come to the masculine category. O. L'avion arrête à Tokyo au Japon. The plane, aeroplane, the plane stops at Tokyo in Japan. Vont-ils dash États-Unis. Now États-Unis, S, in both the words it is having S, and we had learned few countries that were ending with S and they were plural. So we'll come to the plural case, that is O. Okay, it's a plural country. Vont-ils, are they going, aux États-Unis, are they going to the United States, USA? Mes parents sont dash Mexique. Now, here comes the exceptional case. Here I have made a star for that. It is ending with E. Mexique is ending with E, but it is not feminine, it is masculine. Okay, so we'll come to the masculine case, that is O. Okay, mes parents, my parents are, mes parents sont au Mexique. My parents are in Mexico. Tu préfères aller dash Antilles ou dash Pays-Bas? Now, both the countries are ending with S and they are plural. Okay, we had kept them in the plural category. Now see, so we'll take the plural case, that is O. We write O here. Tu préfères aller aux Antilles ou aux Pays-Bas? Now take the next one. Elle va dash Londres. Now, London, although the word is having S in the end, but it is not plural, nor it is a country, it is a city. So we'll take the city case, that is A. She is going to London. Okay, so this was all about les prépositions de lieu. If you need to ask anything about this, do ask in the comment section. Thank you.